All right, so today is day 6 and Sidila with a passive income. So let's just go straight to the notes. So now, right now, you work 8 to 12 hours a day. When you stop working, money stops coming in. Angithi ngento yakuthi namhlanje usesipani, right? But kusasa nangathi uyacoshwa esipanini ncumbi abantu laba ngababetha imali by month end, right? So that is not good for business. That is not good for business. So or for you nje as a person. So after today, we're going to set up systems that work 24/7. You make money even when you are sleeping, spending time with family on vacation, wara, just like that. So loku sikubita ngani? Sikubita nge-passive income. It's not a scam. It's not too good to be true. It's how smart businesses operate. Jabon. Today we learn how to automate, what automation really means, how to automate YouTube and Facebook, creating digital products that sell on repeat, building systems that scale, 5 passive income streams you can start today. All right. So yini automation? Automation ukuthi sisebenzise ama-system noma ama-tools to do without your constant input. Kusho ukuthi na ungekho wena office, na ungekho wena emsebenzini, something is still playing on the background and kuyasetshenzwa ngale, ne? So i-manual ithi someone messages you, you type i-response, uyaphendula. Customer wants product info, you send details one by one. You want to post, funeke uze ungene wena uposte wena vele manual. But nases automate tintfo, senda in. Someone ukufakela imessage yakubhalela, inema auto reply. Iyangena ne-catalog. Bese sekuba nani? Customer uyabuta, i-robot liya-answerisha. Then your post are scheduled automatically at best times. Kusho ukuthi nabo uthola isikhathi asengithi njalo ngu-20 to 9 nyalo ufuna kuposta nyalo, but le video lo ufuna kuyiposta nyalo ufuna ibe kusasa ekuseni. Kusho ukuthini? Siyayischedule ke le post leyo, so that kusasa uyafaka isikhathi ukuthi kusasa ufuna ingene nga-6 AM noma nga-5 AM bantu nabavuka bavukele khona, or ufuna ipost yakho ingene namhla ebusuku, it is still okay. Uyayischedule. It is it's some of the things that sisebenzisayo. So kune-time automation le schedule ama-posts, i-automate ama-emails nama-preset response, bese sekuba ne-task automation, labo auto reply messages, automated order confirmations, yabona. So bese kuba ne-income automation. Bahamba ngijakelele ku-practical side, le theory angisayithandi kakhulu, ngifuna ukuthi sente tinfo sitibona because labanye bethu ba-understanda better nasenta le tinfo than nasiticocisa. So that's why bangathi ngiyagijima la kulama notes, ngifuna sitawenda le practical kahle. So okay, lo asikudzingi loko, utatifundzela alright. Kunana i-platform nayo lesiyibita ngekuthi i-YouTube, ne? YouTube as a passive income machine. Angithi siyathi ukuthi bekunemhlangano lomkhulu kangwane ukuthi bayonimonetize labo TikTok and stuff, right? But kwakhanzakala ukuthi it was all a lie. Ayikho lenzaba leyo, ayikho indzaba ye-TikTok monetization, right? So but as for YouTube, the reason why mina ngikhetha YouTube ukuthi YouTube sesiyakhona thina kumonetizer even if awakangwane, but we just find a way aze agcina monetizekile, ne? So YouTube every month uyakubhadala, mhla ka-21 uyakubhadala YouTube without any problems, ne? Nabe bakutshela ukuthi ema-social media platforms akamonetize kangwane, it's okay, bayekile bakutshele njalo. But when you come to me, you come for serious business, then we take you through which you can monetize your work. At the end of the day, ube grand, ne? So I'm just going to show you guys one small thing here. Then let's start with that right now. Maybe I am not allowed to do it, but for the sake of you guys, just to show you what's then when Nkrumah is not a joke. So I'm just going to make an example. Sorry, I'm just going to make an example and show you guys. Lento lena iyasebenza le, lento lena iyaholela le, ukuthi silakangwane akusiyo inkinga leyo, but we still get to make money, ne? So YouTube nasimakha nasimsebenzisa thina nawe ngingathanda ukuthi umsebenzise la ka-Chrome. Siyamathi sonke Chrome. Chrome naku lo usikubita ka-Chrome lo ukhona nathi incingweni tethu lo icon lo nje usebenzise kona, so it is easier na usebenzisa kona ungena ka-YouTube ngako ne, not le app. Ukhona YouTube application lapho ecingweni lakho, but angiyithandi i-app because iyasilimita, asikhoni nekusebenza kahle ngayo ne. Now I just want to show you guys and encourage you small and YouTube ke ubhadala in dollars bafethu, akabhadali ngemalangeni ne, so akabhadali ngemalangeni. So lena i-account one of the artists alakangwanele Matiko cishe nonke, ningamtsheli phela ukuthi ngibe sengente example la, ningamtsheli phela you guys, nangiceba ngiphinzi nginihlebise nini. So yabona right now ukuthi sikubani, this is $461, akusiye emalangeni loya, that's dollars ne. So YouTube usibhadala in dollars, so kusho ukuthi le mali le every 21 ingena account yakhe, bank account, straight to his bank account. Abe grand umnethu ne, it's just one of the guys who are ama-artist akangwane. So forget I said that one is not part of class ne, so asikhohlwe nje as soon as now. So baningi bantu abasebenzisa YouTube and ividiyo yakhe namuhla, as long as bantu bayibukela, you will still make money from it. As long noma bangayibukela 10 years 20 years from now, you will still be making money from the same video. So kusho ukuthi lento you just create once and yona ichubeke ikusebentele for the next years ne. So akudzingi ukuthi khona into lobuta ukuthi nabe wena ufuna ukuveta ubuso bakho on these things, don't worry, I'm going to show you guys how to create content without showing your face. Yesikubita ukuthi i-faceless channel, kusho ukuthi awuveti ubuso bakho, kusho ukuthi abantu abakwati ukuthi ngubani, but you still get paid for it. So noma ngabe uyi-content creator, noma ngabe ucoca ufundzisa ngetebhizinisi, noma ungacala kunanathi interest ibitayo ukuthi ngema-niche. I-niche is just basically, nangikhuluma nje nge-niche from now, NICHE, nangikhuluma nge-niche ngikhuluma nge-category of the type of content loyendako. Ka-YouTube nangabe wena udila nge-music, you stick to what? To music. Nabe udila nge-comedy, you stick to what? To comedy. Nabe udila ngetimali, you stick to money. So before ukhethe i-YouTube channel, kufuneka umake sure ukuthi le YouTube channel utayikhetha, le niche angeke uphelelwe ngama-ideas kiyo. Like na next week, na next year, na next month, utobe solo unayo content, you still have got something to say about le niche leyo. So uyikhetha kanjani ke niche? I-niche uyikhetha kanje. So yabona, these are some of the accounts that I am managing here under my email. Bese yabona lena ukuthi sisencane na 8 subscribers, right? Sho ukuthi sise-channel encane, or I don't have time for it. Then this one is a serious channel that I am running for the past 2 years now. It has got 1,020 subscribers. That's good. So once wafika 1,000 subscribers ka YouTube, that is when you get paid. Awucali nje kubhadalwa first thing tomorrow morning sovula i-channel wena and you think that you are going to get paid. No, kunema-requirements. Lama-requirements lawa kufuneka uwamithe. Ungakawamithi, you won't meet monetization. So now uya lapha endasi lapha ubuka under N, badakutshela ukuthi kufuneka ube na how many subscribers. Sekuhlupha ukuthi le account lena is already monetized. Asengishintshe nge-account lesiseyincane. So kunema-requirements ofuneka uwamithe kucala before ukuthiwe kenyalo soku-monetization. Before siyofika ukuthi i-channel yakho yakangwane and stuff, don't worry about that, I'll show you how to do that. So i-channel yakho kufuneka ibe na 3000 watch hours. Watch hours, it's the amount of time people spend babukele ividiyo yakho. Ividiyo yakho akufuneki bantu bavele bayindlule nje, baze bayindlula angeke ufike kulo 3000 lo. Lo 3000 lo, it's the minimum before you can apply for monetization. Bese udzinga ukuthi ube na 1000 wama-subscribers, ne? Kusho ukuthi it's 1000 subscribers bese it's 3000 watch hours. Then ube le nto leyo kufuneka ukumithe in 3 months. Nababala ku-3 months nje ukuthi oh, for the past 3 months ufikile kuphi ku-3000 watch hours. Then songenile kanjalo ka-monetization yaka-YouTube. I-key thing yethu lesiyendako thina ukuthi nawufikela pha kuma-settings, this is the critical part la lesita ukuthi your channel ibe eligible for monetization. Once yaba kangwane i-channel yakho angeke i-monetize le channel le, it won't be monetized. So nawufika lapha kufuneka uye lapha ku-settings bese uthi channel bese uthi basic info. Kunana uya lapha country of residence. Lo country of residence lapha wena ufika ukhetha bani, ufika ukhetha South Africa la. Yabona? Nawuceda uthi South Africa uthi save. Ngilapho ke i-channel yakho itawumonetizwa khona. Ungasho ukuthi Swaziland, what Swaziland, it will never be monetized. Bese so nayo i-channel, yes, i-eligible for monetization, but ke kune Google AdSense account. Badaze bathi bantu ngibathukile phela la. Isibita nge-AdSense account. I-AdSense account ke bafethu, i-account yakho yaka-YouTube lo bhadalwa kiyo, not really yaka-YouTube but ya-online. Awubhadalwa ku-card yakho, angithi ikhadi lakho sitho sathi local angithi. So ema-online platforms uvula i-Google AdSense account. Le mali ingena la kule AdSense account. Le AdSense account yakho le ngilapho ubhadalwa khona. Ngikhona ke bese ngikhona ke lapho bese ulinka page lakho lasebhange khona. Uyayiva indzaba? Naso ngene ku-AdSense account. So kusho ukuthi wena utawudzinga naso monetizile, but I will help you ukuthi how you monetize your account. Yabona nje lo mzalwane lo kusho ukuthi imali le like account yakhe yelo 258 le like account ku-AdSense account, le lenye shothi soyikhiphile seyikuphi, nakayikhiphile shothi seyisebhange lakhe. Uyabona? Ase sibuke nje sithi sicheke ema-payments akhe. So ema-payments akhe athi imali engenile mhla ka-1 June ngi-258, solo ngi-258. Kusho ukuthi nje lo mzane akaphosti. Nawaphosti awuyakhi imali. That's the thing. Uyakha imali ngokuthi uposte and bantu babukele. So ngaMay wakhe emalini 258. Uyadlala lo mvulo. I know uyadlala lo mvulo. There is nothing much he's getting here. Anyways, asimiyeke nomzalwane. So imali uyakha ngokuthi you keep posting and people get to watch your content. That is YouTube. That's all you do. You just post. That's all. So kunanama automation strategies. Ngiyakhumbula itolo ngithi nasishintsha ema-written words siwenda i-audio, sikubita nge-voice over ke lokho. Bese kuba nema-screen recordings. Ema-screen recordings abale ngikwenda kwenjalo mina lele ngibese ngikusende egroupini le bese ngizu-uploada on the YouTube channel sikubita nge-screen recording. Nyalo ngifake i-screen recorder la. Screen recorder nasecingweni isikhona, uyasi-download-a screen recorder. Nangabe utawenta ema-tutorials ukhombise abantu ukuthi oh, you click here, you click here, you click here. Asengisi nje wena uyakwati kulungisa tincingo. Then you start a YouTube channel about how to fix cell phones or settings elcingo, how to change the lighting of your phone, how to change screen brightness. Ungamanga ukuthi there are people who search how to change screen brightness on Samsung S2O. Nabu usebenzisa isitolo semandiya nje, tincingo tikhona la. You do those kind of videos. You do those kind of content. Ema slideshows, you can do it. Ema animation ukuthi wende bupopai. Ema compilation videos, all those things, it is what we do. Ema channel longawavula, longawacala, usebenzise these types of things ukusebenzela. For example, azengisi nje utawuthi top 10 places to visit in Eswatini, but i-travel ke ayibhadali kakhulu. Oh yeah, I think this is one of the things. Bese ke lokho kunye kuthi ema-channel akabhadali ngekufanana, ne? Ungagazi ukuthi utawuhola njengalomunye loranisha i-channel lenye. Onke ama-channel, yonke i-niche yayo, yonke i-niche ibhadala ngalokuhlukene. Asesihambe side la ku angathi aphelile ama-points ami ke phela for the day. Ngisebenzisa ChatGPT. So ema-channel akabhadali ke ngalokufanayo. Ngase ngithi what are the top 10 awudzingi imali ukuze uvule i-YouTube channel bafethu. It is free of charge. 10 paying niches on YouTube. You just open it. Kukude ne-verification process lo yendako. You just open your channel and then you start posting. Kude lokubutako ukuthi kwendekani. So top 10 highest paying YouTube niches ekucaleni kuhamba in personal finance and investing. Kusho ukuthi laba labakhuluma about investing, stock market, forex trading, cryptocurrency, yabona all those things. Bese number 2 i-business and entrepreneurship. So leya mi-channel le ecala inga-forex lelenye, it's about business and entrepreneurship because mina angifuni ukudlalela lide bafethu. Bese lelandzelako is digital marketing. Bese i-technology, number 4 i-technology and AI. Number 5 software tutorials, okay. Number 6 more real estate. Number 7 insurance. Number 8 education and online skills. Number 9 health and wellness. Then bese number 10 money make money online. Uyabona ukuthi music is not even here, is not even part of the top 10. So labantu music abaholi mbamba. Wena ungathi imali vele ku someone lo, yes, but it's not like it's something that big. Imali ngalokuthi it is free money, ne? I think nako lobo mnanzi ngako ukuthi kwakho ukuthi ube ne-data, then you start posting. When you start posting, then YouTube will push your channel. And ke bafethu awuthathi i-content yebantu, please. Awebe ama-video ebantu bese soyoposta ona uthi akho, batakuvala. Batawenta njani bafethu? Batokuvala. Waposte ama-video ebantu kusho ukuthi uyaganga wena, ufuna kuhola ngemsebenzi yalabanye bantwana. So kuze sigwemeke letinto leti kanjalo sibese sesiyakuvala-ke. That is what they do. They shut down your account. So don't do that. Don't do that bafethu. Don't do that. Ne? So lo mzalwane lona nje in this month of June umela, let me just post the screenshot in the inside there. So this is his earnings for June. Yabona imali yakhe ukuthi kujune ime 1.2. This is rands, ne? This is rands. Just for June. Cabanga ukuthi wena salary yakho le. But someone else is just making it by posting videos. And I'm saying music is the least paying. Look, show if this person the channel yakhe begin something else different. Ngabu khashana. Ngabu holy man less serious. So kunemali ka YouTube guys. I advise you to start your YouTube channels. Now we isabi camera. Now we isabi camera over feature. In the faceless channel. In the faceless channel, ne? You just make my videos like that. Sisese kanye kanye. Kude lo lahlekile mos. Okay. Aseke nto example ukuthi wenda njani na ufika ka YouTube. Aseke ngithi sofuna ukucala i-channel yakho. I-channel yakho aseke ngithi naku nje. La uyakhetha ukuthi i-channel lengayenda. Remember ukuthi nabe nje une-certificate ungakha i-channel about lento leli wayifundzela wena. You can create a channel on that and just be teaching about it. Remember ngithite akudzingi ukuthi uvete ebuso bakho. Aseke ngithi nje sitawukhetha one of the top la sithi investing, stock market, saving money, building wealth. Okay. Aseke ngithi forex trading. In as much as maybe that one is not going to make sense, but for the sake of the class, let's use forex trading. All right, switch channel. So uyahamba uya ku ChatGPT uyasho uthi I want to start a channel on forex trading. Suggest names I can use to create the channel. All right. Now one thing again, i-email yakho, i-email ya address yakho yakha yinye i-channel. Nge-email address yakho yinye wakha i-channel yinye. Nge-email address yakho yinye wakha i-channel yinye. So thina what we do ukuthi siba nema-channel lamaningi, lokusho ukuthi siba nema-email address lamaningi. Licingo lakho lide ilimit ukuthi how many email addresses you can have. So you can have as many email addresses as you want, because kulo msebenzi wa YouTube awakhe ama-channel lamaningi nge-email. I-email inye nje yakhe i-channel yini. I-cellphone number yakho naso verifier uverifya kang-2 wema-channel iyinye inombolo. So i-sim card yinye yakho yaka-MTN ibamba 2 wema-channel. I-sim card yakho yaSwazi Mobile ibambe lomne 2 wema-channel. So you can use one email address for one channel, then 2 channels for one cell phone number. Le nombolo uyidzinga na uverifya lekucaleni nawakha le channel, they have to make sure ukuthi unayo i-phone. So nako-ke sesiyasho, you upload, you send a message, then yabona ukuthi sekuyakunika-ke emagama longawasebenzisa to create the channel. Nabe ufuna kwenta kudla, it's okay. Hamba ufika usho ukuthi you want to make a cooking channel, bese it suggests names. So uyayithatha ukuthi hayi nali gama lengilithandzako mina, Alpha Market Mystery or Mastery, I mean. So uyalithatha so wakha ngalo i-channel yakho, right? So now ufika-ke le ka YouTube, this is what you do. So this is my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel about forex trading. Then uyahamba uya ka YouTube, so uyakhila i-channel yakho angithi langa lekucala. So uyafika-ke uya lapha lo kuseshwa khona ufike uyabuta uthi forex trading. Nawufika ku-forex trading bese uthi videos, bese uthi recently uploaded, because ufuna kubuka i-topic le-trendako kulawo malanga. Kutakusita ukuthi lana you play smart, kusho ukuthi you are allowed to steal, but you don't steal le video, you can steal the idea. Kude i-copyright yekuthi wena lento lofundisa ngayo nasibalo ufundise ngayo i-copyright isekuthini wena uthatha ividiyo yemuntu bese uyiposta e-channel yakho uthi yakho nayo-ke i-copyright. Noma ungakopa the same name of the video, noma ukope the same whatever, but don't copy the video. I-copyright is only on the video and the music. Awuthathi umusic tingoma lotitsandzako utotiposta la ka-YouTube, because tingoma leto tinebanikati. YouTube is very strict, akafani nabo Facebook. Very strict yena. So nawufika la ka-YouTube wena usebenzisa umusic waka YouTube. YouTube une-music wakhona, ne? YouTube une-music wakhona lotfolakala kuphi? Lotfolakala ku-YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio, nawufika ku-YouTube Studio bese uyahamba uya ku-audio. Wonke music, onke ama-sounds lesiwasebenzisa on YouTube videos ngema-sounds lesiwathethe ka-YouTube. Le platform inemona nayo ukuthi ayifuni ukuthi ulandze tintfo tangale ka-TikTok ubuye utifake ngala. Ulandze music, yonke i-platform ine-music wakhona. Ngiko na uposta status saka WhatsApp, lo music lo lapha waka WhatsApp lo music. Naka Facebook na uposta khona kune music wakhona. So onke lama platforms anemi music yakhona, na YouTube ula wakhe music lo tawusebenzisa ngama videos akho na ufuna kusebenzisa music. Wa-uploada i-video, kanti le video lo uploada komnetho inengoma. Le ngoma leyo ithathwa ngekuthi copyright, inemnikati yakhe. Bese kuthathwa le mali yale video leyo imikiswa kulomnikati wale ngoma, hayi wena, cause wena uyaganga phela. Wena usigebengu wena, ne? Batakuonisha once, twice, kwesi-3 badelete le channel. Kuthi una 1,000, 40,000 noma followers, awuva phela wena usigebengu, they delete the channel. And YouTube wayidelete channel yakho, trust me, there is no getting it back. So udlala kahle la, udlala smart, you play smart, take your time. Noma ungaposta once a week nangabe kunjani, but nawusaqala you have to make sure you post 2 times a day. 2 times a day, or just once a day, every day, or Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, every week. You have to be consistent. Nabe u-uploada ngabo lesibili, uploada ngabo lesibili. Zambam. Nabo uploada ngabo Friday, uploada Friday. You have to be consistent kule ndlela yakho. Ungabi random ukuthi hayi namhla ukhanela kupost nesikhathi kusasa usapost. No, stick to your schedule. Now poster abo Monday, poster abo Monday. Now poster every day, poster every day. Now poster Monday, Wednesday, Friday, poster Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Same time, ne? Good. So bese ke uyabuya uthatha le topic le uthi price action trading, noma ubuka ukuthi le video le was posted 1 day ago. All right? Ina 39k views. Now lokubuka. Ina how many views le video? Lo muntu unangakho ama-subscribers, lo mnikati wayo, and ipostwe nini le video, uyabona? Leni, so that utawuhamba uyowakha i-content lehambelana with the same thing. Price action trading was hard, until I discovered this. Ungayeba le topic yakhe le wambe wakhe content lefana nayo. Maybe asengishintshe. Ngimbe ku something maybe letoba lula. Letaba lula for most people. Sikanye kanye bafethu. Singalahlekelani, akusiko lukhuni. Akusiko lukhuni nyalo incode ethu sethu everything. You can just be posting your everyday stuff. Now in a business, posta lokwendako lapho. Asesibuke sithi African stories. Tinganekelwane. So tinganekelwane ke bafethu. Tinayo imali. Tinganekelwane leti libe sicoca kadzeni ukuthi kwesuka-sukene sidibita ngema-African folktale stories. Ne? Sithi African folktale stories. So, le video le was posted 1 month ago. In a 1 million views. Le video le was posted 22 hours ago. It has got 22k views. But if video le ngihamba nayo mine ngunayo ngunayo 1 million views in where in 1 month. Uyayichafada le video.
The
You are
church
doing
went
research
silent
there.
the moment the richest woman in the congregation jerked her head away from the pastor's hand. The pastor froze for half a second, his hand still hanging in the air. Then, without saying a word,
So, i-content leka so. Ngakutshela iqiniso mina. Ingumsebenzi, but it is worth it. Ingumsebenzi guys. Because uyabona usithombe leti. Now editor la, it takes a very long time to edit these videos because kufuneke ufake isithombe ngasinye word by word usilomphuthini. But i-process ithini? Sithe sithatha le topic, right? You are allowed to steal the topic. Thatha le topic le uyayicopysha kanje. Uyabuya la. Uya ku-cloud. Uyayipaste. Uthi this is my title for my African story YouTube channel. So le story lesitosakha la asifanani nale story lesingale. It can never be kusifanana because utatakhe AI utakwakhela le story when umnika nje le title. Why the richest woman in church never let the pastor touch her forehead. This is my title for my African story YouTube channel. Now create a story based on this title. Based on this title. Let's say make sure it's interesting and funny. Make sure it's interesting and funny. Blah 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 blah. You can just write it like that. Basically, I should say, make it maybe 10 minutes long. Nazo, okay? So yabona, as we are talking now, nasi ke story sesiyabhaleka right now. Yabona, sesibhalekile story sethu sesiphelele nasi nje. You just follow the steps lengwendako right now. Nabe wenda i-channel, nabe wenda i-content. Boy, isithini story sethu? Sit down. Let me tell you a story that will make you laugh and think at the same time. You know how in African churches, there's always that woman, the one everyone knows, the one with the big car, the big house, and big everything. Well, in my church, it's St. Michael's Pentecostal Church in Manzini, we had one. Her name was Mama Tan. Now, yabona ukuthi this is just a complete story. Yabona, Good. Uyasithatha le story sakho lesi sonke siphelela ngithi la, then you copy it. So uyahamba uya ku-Google Docs wakho, uyahamba uya ku-Google Docs or nangabe tincingo letinye tina WPS, ya tincingo letinye tina WPS, letinye tincingo tina bani, tina Microsoft Word. So whatever app loyisebenzisako to edit ecingweni lakho, it's okay. Uyahamba uyophosta le story khona. Yabona? Sengifike ngiyasiphosta la le story, ngiyasipaste I mean. So ngisiphastela-ke ini, sekufuneke ngitasi-editor because AI unema-mistakes. Yabona nje lokhu, angikudzinga ngithi, sengiyakususa. A 10-minute story, angikudzingi lokhu, sengiyakususa. Labo intro labo, awubadzingi, uyabasusa. So lana suke sitawu-editor la, you take your time, you edit le story sakho, siphelele ukunikile AI, but AI unema-mistakes, you check those spelling mistakes, you check everything. Naso cedze kusi-check-a, nyalo-ke sesiyowakha ini. We have to change this into spoken words. Angithi sitheni-ke itole grouping, sithe sisebenzisa 11 labs for changing words to spoken word. Alright, siyahamba siya ku-11 labs. Siyasayina in, abasika-sign in, siyaloga in, abesiloga in. Whatever that we are doing, siyaloga in. Nasologe in, so yahamba uyokhopisha maybe the first part la. Awuthathi konke because une-limit, ansi sithe ema-free AI ane-limit. So awendi nje mathanza la. So sengiyafika ngithi speech, ngiyafika ke lana speech sami sengiyasipaste la, nasi sengiyokhetha i-voice. I have to choose a good voice because lokunye lokwenta umuntu ukuthi ahlale lalele story sakho, it's the voice that you chose. If you chose a wrong voice, then you might be able ukuthi abantu bangayilithandi story sakho. Ase sive ukuthi ngibanje lesingamsebenzisa River.
Nature is a mutable cloud, which is always and never the same.
Ngumthanzi lo Daniel.
The world is round. The place which may seem like the end may also be the beginning.
All right, I think Daniel can do. Bese, I can now say generate speech, or okay, then it is going to start generating the speech.
Sit down. Let me tell you a story that will make you laugh and think at the same time. You know how in African churches, there's always that woman, the one everyone knows, the one with the big car, the big house, the big everything. Well, in my church, St. Michael's.
Okay, so that's the voice, that's the story. Bese wenda njani, you download, you click the download button, download. Uyayizwa indaba, seyingenile naye i-audio latu la, iyangena efonini yakho. Sekushoda ini nyalo, sekushoda tithombe, sekufuneka sewakha tithombe ke nyalo. Siyabuyela ku-ChatGPT, besebenzisa bani, besebenzisa cloud. Now ufike uthi give me prompt for image generation of this story. Okay, give me prompt. Lekusho ukuthi ke nyalo soyohamba uyawakha ithombe ngasinye. Kwekucala uyayithatha i-prompt yekucala naye uyayikhopisha, siya kuphi, singaya ku-ChatGPT because siyakhona kwento ithombe ChatGPT image creation, ufike uyasipasta. i-prompt yakho. Nawakha-ke titori ta ka YouTube titfombe takhe tiba yi-16:9, 16:9. Angithi uyabona ukuthi time kanjani, time kanje, 16:9 titfombe ta ka YouTube. I-aspect nawakha nje ividiyo yaka YouTube usebenzisa 16:9 inje ikaso i-rectangle. Nangabe wakha i-content yaka Facebook it's either usebenzisa 3:4 noma 4:3 ka Facebook, but la u-16:9. Then uyamkhetha ke 16:9, then yangena i-prompt. So leti tfombe utakha ngasinye ngasinye kanjalo until setiphelele. Sengikhani ke soyoti aligner ku-video, sesiku-video editing ke lapho. Uyangena ku-video editing tool yakho loyisebenzisako, ufika ufaka sithombe, ufaka i-audio, ufaka sithombe, ufaka i-audio. Asesibuke nje nasithombe sethu lesitawakheka la. So ungasebenzisa ChatGPT noma ungamsebenzisa na Google AI Studio, right? Ungamsebenzisa na Google AI Studio, uyawakha ama-images. So uyangena ngala nasifuna ama-prompt ngala. Prompt number 2. Ufika uyayikhopisha. Ufika uyayikhopisha. Then uyifake nangala image generation. Then you paste it. Then aspect ratio 16:9. Then you run. Then sithombe sesakhekile ngala. Uyasibona sithombe nasi. Uyasi-download. Uyabuya ngala. Nasi isithombe lesinye. Uyasi-download. Wakhe leti tfombe kanjalo ize tiphelele. Naso takhile leti tfombe takho uyabuya ku-video editing app yakho. Create project. Nangabe usebenzisa CapCut. Uthi create project. Oh yeah. It's loading. So uyahamba uyofaka titfombe tethu lesi-downloadile. Kuma-downloads. Utsatsa titfombe takho. Uyatifaka. Ne-audio yakho. Faka. Uyabuya la. Sithombe sekucala uyasifaka. Lapha ku-ratio uyasho ukuthi 16:9. Faka sithombe sesibili siyalandzela. Then uyayifaka i-audio yakho. Sesiya-editha ke manje. Angisiyabona tithombe tingetulu, i-audio ingephasi.
Sit down, sit down. Let me tell you a story that will
Uyabona ukuthi lethombe tethu sho sithi iyocala ku-7 embili somewhere le. Sho ukuthi sidinga tithombe letakucala la ekucaleni kusadlala this voice. Kanjalo. Uthi align kanjalo, but I think loku deeper utakutfola kule video, the video editing video that I have to send to you guys. Okay. Naso yakhile i-video yakho. Say grand, say right. YouTube. Uyabuya. Ungena la. Ku-description yale video. Kule description yale video ungafika ukhopishe konke lokhu so that nawe utokuthatha ukufake kule description yakho. Asengente nje example like this. Naso upload lapha ka YouTube. Ungena le YouTube Studio. Shothi ungena le Chrome, ufike uthi YouTube Studio, la ufika khona. La computer uvele kushintshe ke automatically, but on the phone ungena uthi YouTube Studio kutakuthatha kukulethe la bese uya kunaliya button la create lapha edolo create bese uthi please write the steps down please I will pay you create upload videos then select file then uyalona lama video akho khona mase ngithathe nayo lemfishane ngithi open siyangena ku-title i-title ye-video kufuneke ibe i-title ye-video nje any video it has to be i-title letawukhanga phela abantu ukuthi bathinze bachafade le video yakho yangakhangi bantu le title yakho you are likely ukuthi udababede ama-views so ufuneka ufuna i-title le-grand so yahamba ubuyela le kumngani wakho uyothatha le title yale video ithi why the richest woman yabona you copy that thing ukufaka la title bese i-description ngithe uyahamba uya kule video leya you copy i-description yakhona ubuye uyifake la angithi ukopa le video wena so ukopa le video ukuthi yini lokwende because i-video kuze ibe viral it is either le description le lama hashtags lawa ngiwo lalatshela YouTube ukuthi le video yakho ingani ngiwo latshela YouTube ukuthi what is this about bulabo hashtag lesibafaka nje abasibe kudlala ukuthi sikhanika ukuthi hashtag siyabangena no ema hashtags siwasebenzisa ngiwo laphusha i-video ka any platform ka Facebook ka TikTok lama hashtags siwasebenzisa ukuthi a-channel le video kubantu labatayithanza abantu labatawusesha bo African stories labatawusheshe ama moral stories and stuff nako bese uyewuka kuba ne-thumbnail i-thumbnail ke bafethu i-thumbnail unasithombe nasi lo sibona la lokhu lokubona konje lokhu ngema-thumbnails lo asengitela ema-thumbnails nginathi ithombe letiba la ngephandle letivela kule video before uyiclick so kuze umuntu aklikhe i-video yakho ucala abuke le thumbnail ukuthi ngathi kuyabhora la yabona so nawakha le thumbnail make sure ukuthi uyibhala iba kahle iba yinhle and iyakhanga so that umuntu abona nje le thumbnail ithi tag me in 30 days ngala kunengcondo then bese sekuba nemuntu le thumbnail le already nangibuka ngithi engqondweni yami lo muntu uthi angimbonge ini ithi ni title this will delete your old self watch this every day 2026 yabona sengiba interested sengiyaclick once i-thumbnail nginesithombe lezivela la once le thumbnail yakho le yangabe yinhle people are not going to come to your video uyakha njani nge-thumbnail uyabuya khona la ku-ChatGPT uyamtshela uthi awakhele i-thumbnail for this title uyayisho i-title ye-video yakho uthi copy image generation uyabuya uthi use this title to create a proper YouTube video thumbnail ziyasho bakwakhela ke thumbnail yakho now uceda kwakhe thumbnail ngiyo ke lo uyifaka ngale so before uye nje ko-uploada tinfo takho uya so grand so ready so takhile ama-thumbnails nje wakhile ama-descriptions wakhile ama-titles wakhile lena wena soyokhupha nje and paste awucali njengeke yoku-uploada ube ungakendi tinfo letifanele ucala ngala konke so nabaceda kwakhela i-thumbnail yakho uyabuya la uthi upload file Uyayathi-ke ukuthi uyibekephi, ufike uyayichafata uthi open. Yabuya i-thumbnail yakho iyangena-ke bakukhombisa ukuthi le video itawuvela kanje-ke kubantu. Naseyicedzile-ke laphasi la angithi beyisolibala ithi how many percent be-uploadeka. Nyalo nje sebasho ukuthi checks complete, no issues found. Nangabe wena usebenzisa ingoma yemuntu lapha on the background, batakutshela ukuthi some issues have been found. Kusho ukuthi kunetinto leti-wrong letikhona la ku-checks nje la. Bese uta la kugcineni ku-visibility. Ufike uthi public. Now uthi public, uthi publish. Wazathi publish, seyi-uploadekile-ke ividiyo yakho, seyingenile ka-YouTube. Even if le video inetinkinga, inema-issues, ungayi-uploada, yes, angeke bakuvimbe ukuthi uyi-upload, but inama-consequences la inkinga, yabona? Because wathatha ividiyo yami wayiposta ku-channel yakho, YouTube utangisendela i-message ukuthi kunemuntu lotenda wena ngale uposta tinto takho, ufuna kumendani lo muntu. Nangithi mine block, nangithi delete channel, angithi kwami ngithi delete, seyidelethekile i-channel yakho kanjalo because angiswena usebenzela mina phela wena, like that. So nasocedzile uvele uthi publish, seyingenile ivideo. Kukhona yini losele ukuthi si-uploada njani le video, or khona yini losele in anything that I was doing right now? Okay, kusho ukuthi okay, Ncobile, your hand is up.
Yes, teacher, stop ngama-step la phasi loku-uploada le video.
Which part?
Nawusuka nje kuleyo YouTube studio,
Uyaku-create, uyaku-upload, then uthatha ividiyo uyayi-attach-a, u-edit i-title, u-edit i-description, ufake i-thumbnail, you publish. Nangabe le video awufuni ukuthi, awona nje nabe ngitoba busy mina, nabe ngitoba busy, nzambama ngesikhathi seklasi, le video ngitayakhe mina nani ngekho nini, bese nthambama le video yami ngitawuthi schedule. Nangithi schedule ngitawuthi set as premiere. Nangithi set as premiere kusho ukuthi le video itocala kudlala nga8:30. Bangibuta isikhathi la, ngiyasho ukuthi isikhathi kutoba ngibani, kutobe kunga8:30 nzambama, isikhathi seklasi. Mine ngibhizi, angeke ngikhona ukuba seklasini, but the class has to continue. This is what I do. I record the class just like I'm doing now, bese sengiyala-uploada-ke. Sengithi schedule, set as premiere, nga8:30 itawucala idlale le video, sesiseklasini, even if I'm not there, but the class lichubeka kanjalo. Ngithite uyaku-create, upload file, nawuceda uthi upload iyangena ivideo, uyaku-title, u-edit i-title, uyayibhala i-title kahle, u-edit, ubhala i-description yayo kahle, u-uploada i-thumbnail, then uya ku-visibility. Ku-visibility ufike uthi public, nawuceda uthi public uthi publish. Aphelele ama-steps eku-uploada ivideo. Kukhona yini losele phinze? Sorry sir, please remember to give us notes on this also, because this is a practical class. Unfortunately, I don't think these steps ngiwabhalile phasi, so please make sure ukuthi uyawabhala phasi. Lama notes lakhona lapha ede lama steps lengiwakhuluma, since it's a practical class. So please, when I say write down, please do write down. Kusho ukuthi le nto leyo ayikho kuma notes le ngisuke ngikhuluma at that time. So anytime nje ngithi please write down, please do guys, ngisuke ngade ukuthi lokho akukho manothini. Alright, so ungenda ema-product reviews, ema-unboxing channel ukuthi umuntu, yes. Emancele ngawusenda emagundwane lapha endlini mina. Ema-unboxing channel into ukuthi umuntu athi, hey guys, I just bought a new phone, let us open it together, yabona. Those are unboxing. Akudingi ukuthi aze abe khona lo muntu. Lamanye ngama-tutorial noma educational content. Kule channel yami nje yaka-Forex, I do educational content. Kusho ukuthi ngifundzisa nge-Forex, ne? Ngema-tutorials lawo. Ori ungenda ema-content compilation. Abanje njengoba ufana i-videos, ucompile ama-video from there. Ungawathatha from TikTok, wa-download ka-TikTok, ubuye wa-edit, wafake ka-YouTube. Usually lapho uyakhona to go around indzaba yabo-copyright. Then strategy number 5, bo-AI generated content lesiceda sikwenda-ke lapho ukuthi ama-scripts akho wakhe nga-ChatGPT, i-voice over uyakhe nga-11 Labs, ama-animations, ama-thumbnails, ne? Otherwise uyabhadala YouTube, guys. Honestly speaking, YouTube uyabhadala. Now asesiphumeni ku-YouTube because labanye ngiyati abangenelani naye, so kude stress asibayeke nabangenelani na YouTube. Let's leave YouTube alone. Now let us do something else. Asesithi-ke kukhona lo mbuto ukuthi ubekafuna kubhala incwadi. So this is another way I make money. I create books and I sell them and I get a lot of serious money there. Khona nje incwadi that I was working on before ngene class in today, or I think I will be advertising it first thing tomorrow morning, and then I bid 150 and I'll be making some nice monies. So uyangena la ka cloud AI uthi I want to write a book, but to make sure ukuthi lencwadi lotayibhala incwadi labatayithenga abantu noma ngayibitha 50 rand, imali yamahhala le. Utayiphosta lo muntu aceda kubhadala umsindela ka-WhatsApp, akudingi uze kube complicated, akunalayisensi oyidingako, it's your own thing. I want to write a book about overcoming depression in Swaziland. Targeting the youth. Suggest titles for such a book. We are using that. Now, learn for le kuze ibe kahle ibe mnazi lencwadi yakho. Take it step by step. Once when the AI kuthi akwende konke esikhathi sinye, it will be messed up. Take it step by step. Now, angithi suggest titles for such a book. So nyalo-ke utasakunika ama-titles esingawusebenzisa wena. In the meantime, uyangale file new document, uya ku-docs wakho noma ku-WPS wakho, ngilapho uto-editha khona. Uyabuya ngala. This is taking a long time. Ngifake la ChatGPT. So suggest titles for the book. Uyahamba ChatGPT kize yasetshenzwa la. I-title ongayisebenzisa ithi Beyond the Darkness, a youth's guide to discovering overcoming depression. Okay. Hope lives here, from pain to purpose, the light after the storm, healing the hidden wounds. When tomorrow feels far away, rise again. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Cause i-title kufuneka umake sure ukuthi umuntu utayithanza le title, noma abe nje asizi wena kunguwe bongayithenga yini incwadi lebhalwe ukuthi Saved by Hope, yabona. So utibude before ukhethe le title. God was with me in the darkness, faith through the storm, hope beyond depression. Okay. Okay, God was with me in the darkness. Ngiyayithatha ke leyo ngiyenda nje. It's okay. Ya loku sekucitha ama-units lo. So sengiyayifaka ngithi God was with me. I-title yami ngiyabuya ngidayifaka ngala docs. Take your time, don't rush. This is not a race. Ne, this is not a race. This is just you and yourself. Ukubreak emsebenzini wakho. I-weekend usendlini yakho ebusuku. Bakwalile so u-stressed awukhona kulala. No problem, write your book ne. Book yakho angeyikwale. Uyabuya uthi use this title and create a proper table of contents for this book. All right. From chapter 1. Then kuyayakha ke i-table of contents. Noma singakophisha nje konke kahle. Uyayikophisha kahle i-table of contents yakho bukuze uyofika Hey, this is a real book. Yay, chapter 20. Yay. Yeah, it's a real book. Uyabona ukuthi if lento lena besiyende ukuthi sikwende once bengeke usinike le information lengaka. So take it step by step. Boy, table of contents icamuka from chapter 1, understanding the darkness, chapter 3, chapter 4. This is amazing. This is amazing. Lengwathi lena can really make you some money if you are serious. It's not mine. It's not my thing. I'm just doing this as a example. Now, ngifike ngithi now let's write chapter 1. Itakupha chapter 1 lophelele. Yabona. You copy it, uyahamba uyopaste ngale. Nasocedzile uyabuya wakha i-cover page. I-cover page yakho utayakha kuphi? Utayakha ku-Canva. Canva yini Canva? Canva ngile app lesiyisebenzisa for onke ema-graphics. Na because khona labanye labangasi-good vele like AI vele uyabashaya. Udinga inga mnethu singakushaya kancane kancane sitawusebenzisa Canva. Canva ke i-app nayo longayisebenzisa lapho ecingweni lakho ungayi-downloada noma ungamsebenzisa Canva as an online site. As an online site. Nabe ude nje space kahle ungamdownload. Just click le link leyo ungene Canva wena. Nabe isicingo yakho naso space, just download it. Now ufika Canva uya kuma templates. Uyaloga in, uyangena, uya kuma templates. Now ufika kuma templates ufuna ufuka ini, ufuna kwakha ini kepha thina nyana. I-book cover. Ufika ubhala uthi book cover. Lapha ku search button ufike nje usearch lo lokufunayo. I-book cover basinika ama templates ama book covers. Mina nje ngayithatha naye. Ndawenza example ngayo. Now ichafada bese uthi customize this template. Uyasayina in ku Canva. Uyahamba uya lapha lokubhala templates khona. Now ucedza lapho kulama options uya lapha ku search button uyasho ukuthi book cover. Canva wena nowabe yini. Canva yonke into loyifunako unayo as long as kuyi document. Wena nje songayicala ibhizinisi yekwakha ema-CV. Now ufika lapha ku search button ufika uthi CV. Wakhele bantu ema-CV. Awubhadali lutho la. Wena uyakhetha nje ukuthi hayi nayi CV nayi ngingayisebenzisa. uhambe wakhele abantu ucharge 150 for abantu labente ama-CV. You can start that business tomorrow morning. Ayidingi experience. Wena lo wenako ukuthi ufike ungene la kiyo lo soyikhethile. I-key thing ku-Canva ukuthi ugadza nayi crown nayi. Le crown le nangabe lokhu sikubita ngema-templates lokhu, ngema-templates amagama ako lokhu. Nangabe le template leyo inale crown awuyisebentisi because it means it is for the paid version. Yebantu laba subscribe-ile. Wena nami sisebenzisa nawa la free and mahle la mananjaneni la. Now ucedza kuyikhetha uthi customize usho uthi personalize. Uyayikhetha bese uthi customize this template. Ngiyakunika nje ibhizinisi njalo lo ungayenti usemsebenzini wakho. Labantu labafuna imisebenzi bakhele ama-CV wena. Nangabe usekhaya awunawo umsebenzi, nawo umsebenzi owutholile. Nalaba ufunako udabakhela ke lama-CV because bona nansi basawufuna wena sowutholile. Uyabuya uyachafata yonke into le la ku-Canva iya-editheka kude lokunga-editheki. Kude lokunga-editheki. Wena lokwanto ukuthi uchafata lo ufuna editha khona uchafate phinze bese uyabhala ukuthi ubani uyabhala ukuthi gama nesibongo. Uyabuya la ususa lesithombe lesi uya ku-uploads. Now ufika ku-uploads uthi upload files. Now ufika upload files soyolandza lesithombe salomuntu. Nangabe labanye bo-HR abatithandi tithombe. Labanye bo-HR abavanje tithombe. Soyolandza lesithombe sakhe lo muntu uyasiklikha bese uthi open. Sito uploadeka la kuma images, bese uyabuya lana uthini delete image. Seyisele iframe i-empty. Uthatha lesithombe uyasihambisa ngemuno wakho. Nabe usebenzisa licingo uyasibamba nje usihambise ngemuno wakho ufike usibeke la kule circle. Sivele sitingenele nje khathi. Uyabona? I-CV seyakhekile kahle. Uyasho ukuthi okay lapha ku-sales representative ngile position la yi-applyelako lo muntu uyamfaka sales representative. Uyabona? So uyasho ukuthi about me, so yamtypela ukuthi I'm a 50-year-old woman and stuff. Naso ucedzile ku-editha tonke letinto leti ukuthi ibhala. Take your time ukuthi ibhale kahle. La ufuna kushintsha i-font nabe nje lo awuyithandi le font le la kucaleni la i-font. La i-font ngesiswati ngicabanga ukuthi ngingathi i-handwriting ye-computer ukuthi ufuna leli gama lishape kanjani. Uyabona? La kucaleni i-font, la ku-number 2 i-font size. I-font size ithini ke yona? Isho ukuthi ufuna kube kukhulu kanganani. Bese lokulandzelako i-text color, ufuna usileli gama libe njani. Lokulandzelako ngu-bold, lokulandzelako nge-italics ukuthi kutsheke, lokulandzelako nge-underline, lokulandzelako i-alignment, lokulandzelako i-list, kanjalo. So asesicale lapha ekucaleni sithi sifuna kushintsha lokhu sikwende maybe another font. Yabona? Or maybe awufuni leyo but angathi iyangichaza naye. Asesithi-ke bekukanje. Yabona ukuthi ngathi kuhlangahlangene. So ufike uthinze leli gama ngalo muno wakho. Lama-circular lamakoneni ekukhulisa i-size yaleli gama. So nangibamba nje le circle le ngiyisa le ngisho ukuthi le size ayikhule ibheke le. Yabona? Nangibamba le side lela phasi ekoneni ngilidvonsa ngemuno lingisho ukuthi ayikhule le text ibhekele phansi, yabona? Bese lo kulamaceleni ke lamkhathini lo kusho ukuthi ngidonsela ka-right noma ka-left, ngikhulisa le text box. I-text box ngilokhu, leli bhokisi leli nje, lonke ligama, yonke info lela nawuyichafada ikunika i-text box. Yonke into nawuyichafada ikunika i-text box, you get? So ngiyamchafada nomcebo, then ngidonsela eceleni, yabona ukuthi sekahle ke nyalo seku-straight. So le nto lena angeke uyimasterishe in a day, uva ngathi hhayi le nto likhuni le. Take your time, like I said, answer kwajangzawo. So take your time, it comes with experience. But angithi le course lena yema-skills lakusita in business. So ngithi nangabe AI uyakuhlula, take the long way, le kaso le type into ukuthi ibhale ngakunye ngakunye. Nangabe usmart, ufast, usebenzisa AI, uyakwakhela i-CV fast, uvele nje ufake ama-details. Noma lo muntu noma uyibhalele le letter uyibhale ngesandla, noma uyibhale ngesandla wakushuthela, ifake lapha ku-AI, ufike ungene lapha ku-Google Studio bese uthi extract the information on this document. Utayi-extracta le information njengoba injalo lapha kuleli phepha lalibhale ngesandla lo muntu, uyabona? Bengekho lapho besila. I was just giving someone a business idea langayicala tomorrow with 0 emalangeni. Now, i-topic yethu yencwadi yethu ithini? Ithi God was with me in the darkness, okay? Ngiyayikhopisha, ngihamba ngiyoyifaka lapha, paste, okay? Amagama ethu angathi agcwele everywhere, ase ukulungise kahle nje, uthatha isikhathi sakho nje mfanami, unake nje impela. Unake nje angathi kukhona umhloti okuvakashela la endlini. Nake nje impela. Bese uthatha le slogan lesi. Ngiyathi ukuthi labanye baklina endlini vele beklinele ivakashi. Wangethi ivakashi, hey, ayitekwa. Umba nebantu solo weta kanye, ngeke abuye vele mnetho, ngeke. Uthi umuntu ofuna kuhlala neligundvana. Igundvana liklini, ingcolisa kuphela. So, ungabe ke ligundvane ke wena. Clean your house, my brother. Clean it. So, ukulungise nje kahle. Siyabhala lapha ukuthi bye. Okay. Ukulungise nje kahle. Bese lesithombe lesi nangabe awusifuni uyasisusa naso. Uyabona? Uyasisusa naso ufake lesinye. Ususa njani? Lesi nje show ukuthi singile background. So I can just delete the image. Show ukuthi sekushoda ngifake i-background ke mine. Faka black. Faka blue. Take your time. But mina ngithi isikhathi, so I'm just going to choose black. Bese I'm going to get the photo la. Ngifake isithombe sami la. Yeah. This is for practical session. Angisho ukuthi bese ufaka isithombe. Lesithombe ufuna usifake la kufanele sihambelane naloku lokhuluma ngakho on your book. Asisi ke so ucedzile lana. So wenda njani ke emva kwalokho? Sengicedzile phela, sengi-edithile kahle, sengisharp, sengiyathi ukuthi hayi ku-grand vele. Uya lapha ku-share. Share. Bese uthi download. Bese PDF standard, no, awukhethi ke i-PDF nyalo, ukhetha i-PNG noma i-JPG. I-JPG. PNG is for images. Bese ngithi download. Ngithi share, download. Ngihamba ngiyokhetha ukuthi ngifuna i-PNG, bese ngithi download. Bese sengiyabuyela ku-document yami. Document yami sengiyofaka i-cover page. Faka cover page lana. Upload from computer, sengiyofuna sithombe. Nayi cover page yami ngiyayifaka la. Nayi cover page yami sengiyifakile la. Incwadi yami seyinhle ke manje. Okay, just like that. Sesiyakhila incwadi zethu. Naso yakhile, uya ku-file. Step number 1 is file. Then you go to download. Then you go to PDF document. Say yakhekile. Emva kwaloko sengiyo-advertiser kuphela mina. Ngakha nje i-poster, ngifake i-price, ngifake ama-details ukuthi le ncwadi zingani, bese sengiyalinka, sengiyasponsorisha. Bantu nabafika ku-WhatsApp wami, ngiyababhadalisa 50 rand. Angithi incwadi yamahhala le. Now on a phone, take your time, utakhele grand. Now on a computer, it's even more faster. Then soyayithengisa kanjani. Lo ufuna ukuthengisa incwadi, just like that, akudingi ukuthi uze ukwade kubhala incwadi. It's nothing to write. Umsebenzi wakho is to look here. Ukuthi hayi kubhaleke kahle yini, kubhaleke kahle, kude ama-spelling mistakes. Nawo umsebenzi wakho. Ungayijaki, dawumitha. Ungayijaki. So, are we cleared on that? Are we cleared on that, ladies and gentlemen? Okay, bazalwane bathula ngathi noma senilele noma sekwendekeni. Okay, guys. Yeah, our time is up now. Can we take questions, please? Can we take questions? Questions? Okay, bazalwane shothi namhlanje bave kahle noma baphethwe buthongo. But either way, it needs time and practice. Yeah, I know. Usinike it needs time and practice. It does. Yes, ngathi khona beyaphambisa isandla. Ncobile.
Mina ngicela ukubuta kulo